So, it's a beautiful rainy day in South Florida on a Tuesday afternoon. What's better than some amazing tacos? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious taco recipe. You can make it right at home, extremely easy, absolutely delicious. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the video with a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right, guys, we're going to be using 2 chicken breasts, as you can see. Boneless, skinless, of course you can use thighs, boneless thighs if you like. I am going to slice it right in the middle, and then we're going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. Now we are going to slice this part just like this into bite-sized pieces or cubes, whatever you want to call it, you know. Just like so. Now we're going to transfer the chicken to a bowl so we can marinate this chicken. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix that up just like this. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Make sure it's low sodium. Pour that in. Mix it up just like this. And we're going in with the seasoning. I will leave them down below for you. Be sure to check that out. We have a lot of seasoning in here. Give it a mix. Next, we're going to squeeze half a lime in there. Squeeze that in just like this. And give it a mix. You can cover this, allow it to marinate if you like, but we're just going to cook this right away. All right, guys, while the chicken is marinating, we're going to be working on our Pico de Gallo. So I have all the ingredients already chopped up. So I'm going to add the cilantro to a bowl. That's good. Perfect. Then we're going to add the onions. I love, love, love me some onion. If you don't like onion breath, then I don't know what to tell you, because I love raw onions, especially in my tacos. And then we are going to add in some tomatoes. That should do it. And also the jalapeño. I'm adding all of it because we don't mind the heat over here. I'm going to squeeze in the lime. Squeeze that juice in. So we're going to use 1.5 of lime juice in there, because keep in mind the onion, once it releases all the juice, you're gonna have a lot of, especially the tomatoes too, you're gonna have a lot of juice in there. So that should do it. And also a few pinches of salt and pepper in there. Just add that in. Give that a quick mix. And nothing better than some fresh Pico de Gallo. Mix it together. Oh, it smells so good. My mouth is watering, especially by smelling the lime. And there you have it, fresh Pico de Gallo, ready for our tacos. Perfect. All right, guys, we're going to be using a medium high heat cast iron to cook our chicken. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil in my cast iron, maybe about 3 tablespoons, not a lot, just a little bit to help the chicken cook. Then we are going to place our chicken in there. We're going to add the chicken in just like this. Now keep in mind, this is chicken breast. You don't want to overcook it, you know, so it can be nice and juicy. So I'm going to cook them for about, I'll say 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can flip them over. We're going to flip the chicken over. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. It's only been 2.5 minutes. We'll just flip it over for now. Don't want to overcook it, but we still want a nice, beautiful color on the chicken. All right. It's looking juicy. It's smelling amazing, as always. Just going to allow the other side to cook. Then we can set it aside. All right, guys, the chicken is nice and ready. As you can see, it's smelling good. It's looking good. I'm going to set it aside for now so we can heat up our tortillas. but it's looking good. Y'all can see it. It looks flavorful. So let's place that on the side for now. All right, guys, now we at the final stage of this Taco Tuesday recipe. So this is how I do my tortillas, how I warm them up, okay? You're going to get yourself a bowl. I have about half a cup of chicken broth here that I'm going to pour into this bowl. Now I'm using Cholula hot sauce. We're going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of that in there. You can use any other authentic Mexican hot sauce, but I'm going to pour that in. Just a whole bunch of that in there and give it a mix. You can give it a mix with a spoon. It's up to you, honestly. Give that a mix just like this. Me personally, I like tapatio, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm using Cholula. Just do it like this. Once you have that nice and mixed together, here's what you're going to do. You're going to grab your tortilla. I'm using flour tortillas. You can use corn tortillas if you like. I'm going to dip it into my hot sauce mixture, and let's pour a little bit of oil on here, about a tablespoon. Make sure you drain any excess water, and then we're going to place it right into our cast iron, like this. All right, now we're going to flip it over. Boom. You'll see that color? That's what we're looking for. Just like this. Now it's time to remove it and place it to our taco tray right here. We're gonna do it again, one more time. So I'm going to place the tortilla into my hot sauce mixture. Allow the excess hot sauce to drain a little bit, as you can see. Then I'm going to place it into my cast iron. Just like this. All right, now we're going to flip it over. Nice. We're going to allow the other side to be nice and golden brown like this side. Then we're going to remove it and set it to our taco tray. Remove. And we're going to set that right here, maybe like this. Ooh, just like that. Perfect. So I'm going to continue heating up or warming up my tortillas. Once I'm done, I'll let you guys know what to do next. Okay, the tacos are ready to assemble. I am so excited. It smells so good. It's looking good. Let's just put this taco together, shall we? Y'all see it. Don't act like y'all don't see this goodness up in here. It looks good. It smells good. I love it. I'm so excited to eat. Y'all just don't know. The flavor on this chicken is crazy. You can see it. You can see it. You know what's funny? All I'm missing right now is some sour cream. Now you're gonna top it off with some Pico de Gallo. I'm telling you, you see all that juice? I told you guys, you don't need that much because the onion, the tomato is going to just provide all that juice for you. So just add it right on top. It's looking so good. Whenever you're having a little get together, I mean, you don't have to make this for yourself, okay? Don't wait till you have guests over to make this. You can make it right now as we speak for yourself. And basically, this is your Taco Tuesday. This is it, y'all. You guys know I've been waiting for this the entire time I was cooking it. So let's give it a try, shall we? Let's try this one right here. It looks so good. Y'all see this? All right, let's give it a try. Ooh. This is so good. This is one of the best tacos that I've ever had in a while. It's so bomb, so flavorful, and I can't believe how easy it was to make. Extremely easy. 10 out of 10 in my book, for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to leave a comment below. I know you're watching and you're not leaving a comment below. Let me know how you like this video. Also, If you're watching, you make it this far, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. Let YouTube know you enjoying my recipes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye guys.